Hey guys, Cecilie here from Cold Creek Nurseries in Aiken, South Carolina. I have some exciting two plants to show you today. What I love about this plant, first of all, let me tell you what it is. This guy is a banana shrub. Both the plants we're featuring today are in the magnolia family, but this guy is like childhood on stems because when it starts blooming in spring, it hovers in here, the smell, and I run out of the greenhouse going, guys, the banana taffy, the banana Laffy Taffy plant is blooming. Yes, the blooms on this thing, though they may be about 1 to 2 inches in diameter, smell like childhood. And everyone needs a slice of that every now and then. These guys that we're featuring both are evergreen. They're both going to reach 10 to 15 feet in height. They moderately reach that up until 10 years, and then they slowly could get a little bit bigger. They are roughly dense oval shaped, but a lot of times people tree form them for a different look or focal point. They are deer resistant. Once they are established, they are drought tolerant. They are low maintenance. So you get all of this greatness in this shrub. So this is the straight species, the banana shrub. And the Ralston Arboretum has also put out a new cultivar. This guy is Serendipity. It is also a banana shrub, but let me tell you what's so cool about this one. When the sun shines down on it, the back of these leaves and the new growth of the leaves, it is like a garden fairy comes through and sprinkles the finest textured gold dust on the back of these leaves. It's just kind of just a magical plant. It also has the blooms. They are a bit more prolific on this shrub, same size stats. Again, you can tree form it or leave it as a great privacy screen. I don't know that I mentioned the lighting that these guys need. They can do full sun, but they're going to do better for you if you give them some afternoon shade. What else can I say? Gold dust and amazing spring flowers. But it's not just springs because, guys, we've got buds coming out. We're in September. We've got buds coming out. So these guys are sporadic summer and fall as well. Want an evergreen that brings back some childhood. If you like banana Laffy Taffy, come see us. All right. Take care.